Hello everyone, welcome to Cherokee Lockpicking. Today I have the Helpful Lockpickers Challenge lock. He sent this to me. I received it late yesterday and I started messing around with it a little bit just to see if I could figure out a tension wrench. Finally did, and this morning I started picking on it and got it open. I do have still photos of it, but I have not picked it on camera yet. Hopefully I'll get it on camera. And this lock, I don't know if you all have seen it before or not. This challenge is basically not only crazy pins, but he's drilled out the whole top of the keyway with a drill bit, so you can't use top of the keyway. Bottom of the keyway, you really need it because you got to get up in there to set pins. It's an unusual size, so I had to rig up 2 tension wrenches to fit in there so I could have a little control on the core. I did pick it this morning. I was totally shocked when I got it open. Wish I would have had it on camera. I do have photos of it, but hopefully I can get this open for you. Alrighty, let's start in. Oh, another thing, this is how much slop is in the core, and it is a pickle to pick. So anyways, let's get in here and see if I can figure out how to open this for you. Believe me, guys, this is no rehearsal. You think I'll send it to you. Actually, the Helpful Lockpicker asked for it back, and he will do the sending. Okay, felt a little click there. I'm not going to tell you every little click. Be here all day and I need to concentrate. I just hope I can get it on camera and see what's inside. Dying to see the pins. I'm using a Peterson, the Forest in 18,000s. put couple little dots over here so I can see what I'm doing. And it took me a while to get this tension wrench set up in here just right, so I just left it that way. Get this thing open and I'll show you I'll show you the tension wrenches. And trying to scoot around in there is not easy. All right, I got it. I don't believe it. Okay. 7 minutes. Yahoo. I'm excited. Now I get to see what's in there. Cool. Cool, 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 guys. I'm going to take everything out. And you can see it's picked. Now, tray. Pretty exciting. That is so exciting. Now, I don't want to blow up by the getting. Turn clockwise. Do not turn 180. Let's turn 660. Okay, guys, so I am going to close it up. And key does work. Not real well, but I'm gonna get this guy open and get it. I am so excited about seeing the inside of this lock. Yeah. Get the shim in. You know me and shims. Good night. You can see that he's done a lot of work up here. He's changed he's taken this top off so he could get in there and do some work. And I'm really not sure, I mean, this is like drill protection. It looks like there's 4 pins in there, and I'm like, wow, this is quite the lock. So hopefully I can get this guy in there. It's going. All right. Holy mackerel. Okay. Now, here we go. Oh, God, that scared me. My stomach jumped. Wow. Got 6 pins in there. I thought so. It's a 5-pin key, but a 6-pin lock. And boy, that looks interesting. Okay, let's get these guys out. Oh my gosh. Cool. Okay, let's see what's in here. I need to get my painting glasses on for this one. especially. Now, man, I hope that was in frame. I'm so excited. Terrible. Okay. 1 feels standard. 2 standard. 3 standard. 4 standard. 5 is hollowed out huge and has some threading in there. Number 6 feels standard. You can see how number 5 is a big old hole there. Okay. Now, tweezers, where did you go? Let's get this guy out of here. Okay, wow. Shoot. That was pretty wild. Boy, you got some nice ones in here, that's for sure. I don't know if I mentioned this is his first and only. This one looks like part of a screw. I'm pretty sure it may be. This is his first and only challenge lock. Whoa. And I think he said nobody's really picked it. Maybe one person. And they we're using the cam on the back to tension, and he didn't feel it was fair or something. Wow, oh my god, that's amazing. Do you guys see these pins? You're not gonna believe it. You will not believe these pins. Okay, I gotta get that last spring out. There it comes. Now the springs are all copper, but it looks like some of them are a lot smaller than each other. Now I'm looking inside the Bible. I don't see any threading. I thought for sure there would have been because this had been tampered with. Either that or he just did that, make it look that way, one or the other. Okay, let's get this propped up so you guys can see the pins. And you're not gonna believe these pins. And I need to put something under there so it doesn't slide. What do I have? I'm gonna use this. That'll work. See there. Always have to move and chase it. I think that might be as good as it's gonna get, guys. And let's see if I can get this light to come in better. And bring this one in. Okay, here we go. All right, number 1. Looks like a screw. And I'm sure it is because of the shaping of the insides of it. Hoping that that is focusing, guys, because I got this light in my eyes. Okay. Now it's a great big long one. Number 2. I believe these are all screws, but they're different sizes of screws. Yeah, they are. This one even has a sharp deal up at the top. And number 3 is a screw. Great big long one. Okay, this key pin is a very sharp spool. And I mean sharp. It comes down into like a shape of a bomb or something. And the next key pin is a screw. And this one, number 6, has like a spool but comes down into a very narrow belly on it. Very cool. Now this is the other end of the screw, I'm sure. Yeah, it's got a point on one end and threading on the other. And this spool here is very skinny and sharp at the bottom. Unusual shape too. And this looks like another screw that has been turned into a very nicely shaped, I don't know what you call it, spool with a belly in the middle. That's it. Here's another screw, and this comes down into a very sharp edge and then into it like a T-pin on the point. This one is a very long spool, and then part of a screw down at the bottom, I'm sure it looks like it. And then here's another piece of a screw, comes down into a very sharp point. Now I think that 1, 2, 3 are springs, look pretty much the same. 4 is different, and I think the next couple here are different as well. They're all different lengths. Anyways, okay guys, this is the challenge lock called Screw Up from the Helpful Lock Picker. That was a lot of fun. Thank you, sir, for sending it to me to pick. And I will be boxing this up and sending it back to you directly. Thank you and have a beautiful day.